Hi guys, I am back again. I did a review yesterday on the whole Spice and our new song that just came out, but no man, this come like Fat Spice ruffle up the ansness, because it's like everybody is now out in their feelings, and a Spice start this whole thing, you know, because a Spice show the first tone, you know, but now Spice are coming up play the victim. But I'm not really a Spice fan. I love some of Spice music then, but character wise, no, I'm not really my type. You see, I'm not really a loud person, and I don't swear, and I don't speak a certain type of way. So people who speak like that are people who come off a certain vulgar, too much vulgarity. Me not grow some love, so they work a vulgar business. Me not too, yeah, me not too in a it. But I don't have anything towards people who behave like that, because I mean they're expressing themselves, and if that's the way that they're able to express themselves properly. Sometimes I wish if me did more vulgar, like express myself in a more with more vulgarity, but that's just not me. And if I do it, I'm just gonna feel so out of place. I'm just gonna feel so out of place behaving in that manner, because that's not my character, that's not me, and I don't gravitate to people who behave in them kind of loud, vulgar kind of ways there. But you know, I realize I'm not saying people should not have their opinions on what has happened with the controversial that's going on in the media now surrounding Spice. And I'm not saying people should not have their opinion, but when your opinion is gonna become a personal attack, say for instance, you hear people accuse Spice, oh, she black or ugly, or that's why she's so black or ugly. Like, you know, it's the 21st century and people still have that kind of opinion. You still have that kind of mindset that when you argue with somebody, the first thing I think that you can use to hurt them, I have to tell them how them black or ugly. Like, I don't understand. All our black, we are all from the Afro race, Afro-Jamaican, or whatever it is that you want to call yourself. But I'm an Afro-Jamaican. But whatever it is that you want to call yourself, we have similar phenotype. So whether your own is a bit lighter than mine, or your one is a bit darker than mine, or my one is, it's the same thing. It's the same God Almighty thing. Nobody, no other human being like the Caucasian people, or the Asians, or the Chinese looking people, or whatever people they are, they're not going to be differentiating our space and say, oh, one is light skinned black and one is dark skinned black. But when we say our own Jamaican, and especially people who you think would know better, like they're attacking her because of her physical appearance. Now what can she do about her physical appearance? So it's like, that's what I don't understand. We can have our disagreements, but our disagreement doesn't mean that we have to attack someone. Our disagreement doesn't mean that we have to have a personal attack on someone, because she is not, whatever color she come out her mother belly, she don't have no control over that. She don't have no control over her physical appearance. So we need to come out of this thing where we accuse people about black or ugly, and where we accuse people them kind of thing there. We need to get out of that mindset. You understand me? This black or ugly thing, we're not doing nothing for ourselves. It's like we are bringing down our own self. Stop with this black, ugly, crusty. Stop describe people in those kind of way. What is wrong with you people? And it's like when I see grown-ass women like myself, or women that are much older than me, and they haven't changed that mindset that they have, they still think it's like when you call Spice black or ugly, it's like the whole race. Like, I don't understand the mentality of, me not like the argument there, because whatever Spice has come out with, I'm not a part of their circle, so I don't really know exactly what is going on. Like, we only know what they want us to know, or what is out there in the media. But I just thought it was a bit concerning. Even this other, I used to listen to this other YouTuber, I think he's called Jamaican Young Police. And when he just started, like, I found his program to be very interested. But then when we see him start shame people in a certain way, I'm serious, him talk about Black Ugly Spice one time. Like, when people talk about their brothers and sisters like that, and these are people that you hear talking about the philosophy of Marcus Garvey and how we follow Marcus Garvey philosophy. But then now, if you want us to follow Marcus Garvey, philosophy, how comes you tell your black brother and your black, especially your black sister, it happened to both of them get it. But why would you be telling a person who has a darker skin tone than you that them black and ugly or anything? Too black no good. That's what the lady said. That's what the lady, what's her name again? I don't remember her name now. But it's one of those it's one of those loud females. One of them who those people like to portray their vulgarity in the media. And as much as it's entertaining to listen to sometime, this is not something where me personally practice. I can't even say a swear word. Like, if I say a swear word, I feel embarrassed. Like, just to speak a certain way, I feel embarrassed. I don't like to speak a certain way. I don't like to be spoken to in a certain way. So nobody look for me and think so you can judge me and feel like, say, I come from the deepest part I get to come. I come from ghetto, I love, I used to get to live in, I don't gravitate to them type of thing. It's just entertaining for me and funny and hilarious and distasteful and everything mixed up in a one. I'm just saying, if you all gonna have a go at Spice and about her character, criticize her character, criticize the things that she does, but when you go criticize her looks, I not talk the cosmetic part of it, you know, because if the cosmetic part of it them I criticize and I talk about, that is not so bad. I don't understand. I see a young man, he looks a bit suspicious. I don't know. But it's not, if they're talking about the cosmetic procedures that she have and her batch surgery and her batch operation and whatever it is she does, I can understand that. But when you're gonna say something like her color, she black or ugly, I saw she black, I saw she her heart black. Like, come on, people, man, we need to come out of that mindset. We need to move away from that mindset, because that mindset is not helping nobody at all. You understand? It doesn't make your argument stronger. Although these people, you know, these people that are on the internet, you cannot even, you hear them so loud. But when I'm growing up, I always heard the saying, empty barrels make the most noise. So you see them type of people that who so loud on the internet, and them not have no decorum about them. Them not have nothing about them. Them like just, you will see a nice pretty girl, a nice girl on the internet who you assume say, wow, this person look nice and decent. But the moment that person open their mouth, you're like, whoa, I saw her mouth the dirty. So guys, if we are going to talk about Spice and talk about Spice's character, let's speak on her character and what we agree or disagree with. But when you're gonna put it onto somebody's looks, when you're gonna get somebody's looks involved, she has no control. She has no control whatsoever about how she come out her mother belly look, whether she come out her mother belly light skin, dark skin, or whatever. And sometimes some people face some real traumas over them skin color. You know, thank God I came from a family where everything mixed up in the black, the not so black, the lighter black, the light black. But I was never felt, growing up, I was never felt, in my family settings, I was never felt like an outcast. I never felt like I didn't belong there. I never felt as if I didn't feel like my family didn't love, like me never have those kind of colorism in my family. So maybe that's why I kind of grow up now with a different mindset. But 2024 and people still I tell people say them black are ugly. Like, make that make sense to me. So you see, people I say them love themselves and then love them race. This is not self-love, and this is not how you show your love towards your other brothers and sisters, because there's no way I can be arguing with someone. If I'm arguing with someone, there's no way the color of the skin is gonna come into it, because that's not what I'm arguing about. I'm actually arguing about the person's dirty character and the person's dirty ways. That is why. So we are gonna say, oh, she wicked, that's why she's so black and ugly. Same how she black and ugly, same how she wicked. So it's like they're always associating bad things. The darker you are, they're always associating those things with you being a bad person because of your complexion. Come on, people, man, we need to get over it. We need to get over it. And a lot of adults in my age, I don't understand why people are behaving like that, because by this stage we should have outgrown some stuff. Some stuff we should have outgrown. Not that I'm not trying to tell people how to act or anything like that, but I just feel at this stage we should have outgrown a lot of stuff and a lot of behaviors. We should not be behaving in a certain way, because we would have already been there and done that. So yes, that's why when you hear, sometimes I hear men or I hear other younger folks saying, oh, the big woman, they might try to be like the young people them. Maybe are things like those they're talking, because it's like sometimes you guys are run competition with them in regards to your mindsets. No, I'm not talking about your dress sense, because people can dress whatever how they want to dress. That's just them. But I'm saying, as you mature and as you get older, I feel as if your mindset, it will get a little bit mature more, and you're gonna be looking at things in a different way. So for example, my age now, me almost half a century. A couple months from now, me half a century. I'm not thinking the way I'm thinking when I was 18 years old. Like, I've grown, I've learned what is good and what is not good. So when you hear grown adults behave in such a way, and then we wonder why the kids or the younger adults are behaving like that, because them get the behavior from us. These people get this behavior from us because a lot of us don't show them any different, and a lot of us we just like the bagger and just like, well then if I saw you grow up still, why? It is just sad that a lot of people feel as if to have a strong argument you have to talk about someone's look. I think they can disagree with Spice and them can cuss out Spice without having to go to her looks. Now she came on the live the other day. I don't know why Spice decided to go on RT and bling at them bagger, because all poor me no want to go on them the people like I am financially, I am a nobody financially. Financial wise, me and nobody, but certain crowd is just not for me. Talking to certain people, being associated with some people, it no matter how much money them have, because I did not grow up in ones. I came from a very well-to-do family, so I never grew up in no one. So me not suffer with certain type of mindset or certain thing not frighten me, because from it, that's all I've known. Anyway, back to what I was saying now. So I don't know why she went on RT them live, and it's like RT did just dying for this opportunity. RT did, because I remember say 4 years Spice ignored the obeah man, you know, and it's like the obeah man was just waiting on this specific moment. RT wait all her life for that one specific moment where he can say him diss up Spice in front of the whole world. But a Spice rank, because Spice shouldn't go over them Spice shouldn't go over them bagger, because when them do over this, it don't make no sense. But then again, as I said, certain people Me don't know, me and certain people just in I see in class. I don't care what nobody want to say. This is just my opinion. I know how I was brought up. Me not come from no ghetto. I wasn't brought up in no ghetto. Me don't know nothing about ghetto living. We used all me say about ghetto living is on the TV, and I learned a lot of things about the ghetto since I come to England, yeah. Because me don't know, but me just know say people from those areas normally behave a certain way. But that don't mean that they're not good people. That's not what I'm saying at all. So Spice should never go over this man. And then now when RT go attack the lady and talk about her son a B-man, and our daughter so good at school, and why, if you don't argue, why you guys have to bring your kids? Like, you couldn't cuss Spice without nothing about her pitney then, because if a boy a batty man in time, everybody are gonna know so the boy a batty man, and I know nothing where I hide. And I like one time when people were ashamed of their sexuality. People are free to do whatever it is that they want to do, each to their own. And some of us children are gonna turn out like that, and some of us children not gonna turn out like that. But all in all said and done, I'm glad to none out of my for them not swing that side there. You get me? You get me? But other people who find themselves in that situation, like, me have sympathy for them, because me know I'm a Rasta man. I know the way how the man used to lick out upon them something there, and the man can't believe no say him have a daughter way gone the other side, and him still loving daughter. Him try to ignore her, him try to don't have anything to do with her, but at the end of the day him get sensible, and him know say it's his own child. It's he created that child, so whatever that child turn out to be, you have something to do with it as well. So yeah, RT not supposed to cuss the lady, but you know, the kids are underage and you don't need to go like that. If the boy funny, he funny, and if the little girl do what RT says she do at school, they blow it. It's the blow job thing. And he shouldn't have came, man. He should have found another way to address the situation instead of come and talk on our kids. But everybody, including me, is gonna have our opinion on the matter. But I just thought people can express themselves however they want to express themselves. But when it comes on to someone's physical appearance, I just think that's like a no-no. And that's like a no-no. I'm just here watching a little boy taking up bottles, and it is okay. But yeah, so guys, I'm gonna pause the video here for a moment. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and come back for more. And as we discuss this important topic of this colorism thing, because it is strong, it is too strong in our society, and especially 2024. No man, people not supposed to cuss people, tell them how them black are ugly, and so them black are and dirty, so they heart black like them. Like, come on guys. Anyway, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.
That dirty blood clot black dog Spice, the way you want to take over dancehall to blood clot, me anyway could have come on TikTok with blood clot mix up. Ya old fridge blood clot girl, me hear ya cuss blood clot Shelly, and I tell you, say fuck John, which is Lady Saw blood clot, man. And that's why man left blood clot, Lady Saw. Yeah, look, blood clot war. Spice, you're the blood clot relevant. You're the relevant Spice. You done the blood clot. I mean, I go say your blood clot broke. You just blood clot craving and want the blood clot music it. You go come back with all sort of ears and come back to blood clot. Pan danger. You wicked blood clot black girl. They say anything black never blood clot good. You're the blood clot ready. You see a blood clot mouth. Spice go suck out every blood clot body in a blood clot Jamaica. You're the dirty, wicked, nasty blood clot girl. You want dirty girl and you don't forgive people. And that's why God do your blood clot. So, and God I go do your blood clot then because you're evil. Your blood clot evil. You don't like to see everybody wreck. You want blood clot, Shensia mash up. Remember Shensia young girl to blood clot. You do your time in the blood clot dance all. I mean, no say you know if stay night, you know. But if you remember say you have blood clot, big man. Give the young girl my blood clot, child Spice. Spice, remember you did blood clot busy for make money because you didn't want to show up on people as a black ugly blood clot. Ugly Poogle Spice. You meet him when he was a pastor, but you go for obeah work. Why we for this a song come out and your RT boss did have it? Why you never talk then step me up? So the one song don't stir up a lot of things. You evil the pie to blood clot. You's a evil wicked artist, girl. You is a wicked artist, girl. You say you ask God to take everything. We also ask God to take everything. But your one not come true. What happened to you to go happen again because you're evil? I not talk say you're evil, ugly poogle girl, blood clot Spice. I don't know if I'm wicked in your eye or I wrong, your lash you have and dopey, but you're evil. You're evil. So alright, so you say RT do all of these things, but you keep it. And look how evil more you is. Your man rape danger. Yeah? And you're vexed with danger. They said that you say you did tell her if you can report it, but you're vexed with her. Do you make sense, drunkra? Dirty black drunkra. You make sense? Use a black drunkra, dirty blood clot artist. Poogle ugly looking blood clot girl. You love contention, you love attention, you're done, you have your money, but you're not call up. You are come with this for look relevant. And you're done. You're done. RT boss mash your can. Reject you off of life. Can you feel like say you're a celebrity? So when you say, put me on the life, then go and put it. You're not nobody dog shit. Dog shit, you're nobody. I remember you're a sodomite. You suck out more than 15-year-old pitney already dog shit. Slut. Or big dirty black dirty drunk dirty girl Spice. Nobody no frightened for your dog shit. Nobody no blood clot frightened for your big dirty bitter whore. Nobody no frightened for your ugly girl. Nobody no. You're just a bitter blood clot girl. You're not a boss no artist. You see one say so. You's a dog shit. You hear me? You is a human shit big slut. I see him God you serve will serve. God no wicked like a you. You figure repent, because you should have repent from Mr. Simmet having church and him is a pastor, but you didn't go for obeah, for Kiadong, Maca Diamond, and blood clot lady sir. You hear me? You did go there for that, so you come now, come bust out all of this. You drop out for everybody in your blood clot song. You're bitter, and things go happen to you. You's an accident. You come like the old time zinc with them put up and ratting out. Are you that dirty?
Come out speaking out about it. To her defense, a lot of persons have come out saying that she didn't call any name. So how do you know it's you? Because she didn't identify anybody in it. She only spoke about the situation that took place at hand in that particular time. And so many persons should not be offended because your name was not called. No. We're not stupid. Persons are not idiots. And so if you're going to take subs at people, they are going to respond because they're not an idiot. They were the ones who had an encounter or had relations with you in that particular space. And so they are within their right to address you, being that you decided to put the situation around them in your song and you're promoting it. And what I see that's happening is that there's a mystification that is around Spice, and it's similar to around Shensia. And I said it in one of my videos that it was making it very hard. Shensia, based on the controversies that she has put out, she's making it more and more difficult for me to defend her. You understand? And it's the same thing that is happening with Spice. Recently, I did a video on Jamaica Young Police channel, and I was speaking on him that he was coming at Spice saying that she's ugly. And I was saying that there are several things that Spice do that I disagree with. But one thing I won't do is call her ugly because she is not an ugly woman. However, the behavior that she has displayed so many times it is rather very distasteful and very unattractive. And I say that to say this. She has been away from dancehall, haven't put out a hit song or haven't put out a song in quite some time now. We had some other persons that were on the floor, they were putting out their music and stuff like that. And for you to come back, and when you come back, you're putting out a song and you're basically digging up old bones, because what you're speaking of are things that happened many years ago. You understand? So the subs were at, for example, your obeah man, RT Boss, there's your former dancer, Danger, there is so many other persons. I think it's Lady Saw, quite a few persons out there that the song has subliminals in it. And it is creating an unease for them. And persons are within their right to come and speak on it. You can't say that persons should not say anything because you did not call their name. People are not idiots. And might I add that I saw Maka Diamond posted a previous video that she did with the same costume, dressing up old. And your team decided to take jobs at Maka Diamond. She did not call Spice's name. She only said that she was a trendsetter. She started it. And then your team decided to take subs and take jobs, not subs. They took jobs directly at Maka Diamond. So it is the same thing. But what I get to understand, it seems like there is some sort of bullying that you portray, wherein you should be okay to take any jobs at anybody.
Jada look like a Power Ranger. Sensei look like a doll. Jada look like Power Ranger. Sensei look like a doll. You look like a blood clot Thanksgiving turkey. You want blood clot. Come and go like you're smarty. Girl, your shape bad. BEDDDYYDDYY. Bad blood clot. Shape bad. You are the only Jamaican girl we do them body in the National of Jamaica referendum of body surgery. Spice. Your shape bad. Spice up, jacked up, ripped up. You sue your doctor. You should have put your doctor in the song. Bestie, tell Gracie that she put set a blood clot. Our doctor. If I me like her, me da hide. Because she do her body, she do her skin, she do her face, and you still dirty no blood clot. Not even bathe, you can't bathe to look good. You, from your seed of your generation dirty. You dirty, your seed dirty, generation. When you post the picture with you and your family, you only look dirty and muddy. When you look on to blood clot, you can see they gotta hide the blessing. It's not sure you. Nothing when you look on to blood clot, outshine your blackness. Your blackness will black like your heart, override the bumbo clad picture them. When you post the picture them with your family, you only look like a set of what? Skidios. You know what a skidios? A set of people where you should say, I need to lose weight. When you're the family owner, I need to lose weight. Can you sit up on blood clot media, cause problem with people when you are posting a picture with your family where mark, I need to look weight. I need to lose weight. You look like a nanny and you know maroon blood clot. Spice, you and your family look like nanny and maroon and you know maroon blood clot and you want to come for me. You should have known that me are the last man because when I cuss you cuss and curse no blood clot. You can talk about the food in our clothes chase you never get. Which clothes chase? But style. Called blood, busy to blood clot the other day, me never get for going on this story here. The other day when time Carly Red, when time Safari woman put you the whole Jamaican them turn against you. A long time you Safari and dash your blood clot belly. Safari and dash your blood clot belly for Safari. When Safari used to come to Jamaica, fuck you. A Safari make you know blood clot Mona Scott. So when the blood clot woman deal with you, so only Jamaican people don't understand say you're quality work. Them should know say you're a quality horse a long fuck Safari. But now go for the girl, I mean look at the girl bitterness. When enough of the Jamaican realize that Spice is a whore, fuck she a fuck Safari. Spice and breed and dash the blood clot belly. Who she could hold, she never want Nikki feel away. Nikki her idol.
RT Boss go suck your mother. Come use your blood clot tongue and lava juice underneath me. RT, you can't bring me down. Shame and success, I go kill your RT boss. You can't blood clot bring me down. Come use your bisexual tongue underneath me RT boss and lava juice under me. You come talk about my son, me post my son every day. Post yours, make we see him. Make we see your blood clot son, how him look. Post your data, make we see them. Since as you want to talk about picnic, let's go kids for kids. I post my kids and you post yours. Can you post your kids? You can't blood clot post them, so you want everybody picnic for me bottom and blood clot.
Spice, may I tell you the truth? It better you stick to your body or your pussy song them. I feel like it would have worked out for you better. Because for your dancehall artists, where them classify as the queen of dancehall, and how long nobody not hear from you in the music industry or with a hit. Me can't believe that this you come for feed the people them with. People business. Spice is just the truth. That character there, it not fit you. It better you did come with your natural voice and try to send a message. Probably with a understand you more. And Jamaican people is very hypocritical. Yeah, no found una hypocrite. Me I tell you that straight. Because watch you know, what do you when Shensia comes so boops and forward out with it and run. I want to say Shensia don't find a song for how long. And when she forwarded it and run, the whole round make beer chat pan Shensia. And make it seems like say yo, that song that where Shensia come out with a fuckery song. And see that it was a hit. You see me? Alright, look here now, look for mackerel. Where the Guyanese them a beat. You see me? Uno as Jamaican, uno so uno now pick up for mackerel because a mackerel war that. You know why uno say that? It's because uno don't rate mackerel. If uno did rate mackerel, uno say that. Me can tell you that. If it was somebody else who uno love in the media, uno that dead with them.